Tyrone was born and grew up in Kingston, where he began hanging out and doing session work, in many of the city's seminal studios. He joined the Wailers in the mid-1970s, making his recording debut with the band on Rasta Man Vibration. Tyrone was first spotted in an uptown club, in a New Kingston hotel, and he was 17 years old, and playing in the house band. According to people who was there, the band played well, and Tyrone was great, playing mostly reggae covers of US songs. Tyrone was the keyboard player, many viewed him as outstanding. Some went as far as calling him amazing, some say they were mesmerizing, with his cherub-looking smile while playing. Bob Marley got wind of this great teen player, with an amazing talent, and that teen player was Tyrone. Bob Marley was urged to check him out, and without hesitation, Bob Marley went up to him after he finished playing at a gig, and that's when Bob Marley offered him a job, with the Wailers. His immense talent eventually led to him becoming the band's musical director. Tyrone has laid a solid foundation, with his body of work, on which future generations of musicians can build. Tyrone will be immortalized among his other music peers. Tyrone Downie, May 20, 1956, November 5, 2022.